Hey, you trying to do that? Hey. 3, 2, 1.
There's nobody. I don't see anybody. Okay, there's somebody over there. He's behind the sandbags.
They already have bags?
Behind the sandbags.
Okay, I'm going quick.
Hey, watch out! Get down! Get down!
Where is he?
He's they're over there behind the mound. Sandbags.
Hold on.
Got him. Whoa. 2 more to the right. 2 more to the right. You clear?
It's clear.
Moving. Yeah, there's somebody right there.
Let me push this line.
Whoa. You okay?
Did I get him?
Yeah, you got him. Nice. Where?
In the bunker.
Okay.
I'm gonna check clear, dude.
What?
I'm gonna check clear.
Whoa.
Okay, go! Nobody else. There's one guy in there. Help us stay right. They're in the bunker.
Gosha, get down, get down, get down.
I'm gonna go right here to this bunker. Ready? Hey, where are they?
Gosha, me and you shoot. Me and you shoot. Oh, he's gonna run. Okay, run. 1, 2.
Cover you. Ready?
Yeah. Ready? 1.
Go shoot now. Go.
Everybody shoot! Everybody shoot! Alright, he's good, he's good. I didn't get him. Hey, we're all gonna shoot when he moves up, okay? Hey, you guys, we're all gonna shoot over there.
Get down.
Get down, get down, get down.
He's hit.
Alright. Whoa, hit! Where is he at? I don't see him. What?
I got rounds. Alright.
One minute.
What?
In the hole right here.
Give me cover fire. Just keep shooting. I'll get him. Go, go, go. Yeah, I got him. Reloading.
Is there more in there?
No, there's more in the other bunker.
In the bunker next to you?
Yeah. Hit!